Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is called as the standard equation. What is this here? Standard. Condition a should not be equal to 0. Okay, condition number 1 is x square के सामने जो है, look at this. What is in front of x square? A. This a value should not be equal to 0. What will happen if a is equal to 0? 0 into anything is what? 0. So x square will be disappearing. So only x plus c, it becomes a linear equation. You have to keep one thing in mind. That is, you have to remember a should not be equal to 0. Okay, next. Second condition. The second condition is that the power of x should not be greater than 2. It should be 2 only. It should be 2 only. It should not be 1 also. अगर 1 है तो linear, 2 है तो quadratic, 3 है तो cubic. समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. So x square होना ही चाहिए. X to the power of 1 by 2 आ गया तो भी it is not a quadratic equation. समझ में आ रहा है? Now if I ask you, the equation is like this: x to the power of 4 plus 2x square plus 5 is equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? Tell loudly. Is it a quadratic equation? No. But now look at this. Can I write this as x square to the power of 2 plus 2x square plus y is equal to something like that? So this is to the power of 2. This is your x now. समझ में आ रहा है? Slowly we'll practice it. So in all cases, the moment you are going to solve a question, you should remember two conditions. What is the standard equation of the quadratic equation? Tell me. Ax square plus ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. What is this? Yes, 11th standard students. Just tell me, what is this? Y square is equal to? Okay. Y is equal to mx plus c. What is this? What is this? X square plus y square is equal to r square. X minus m the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. What I am writing here? Yes. So those who are not understanding what's happening here, this is called as parabola. क्या बोला मैंने? Parabola. ये क्या है? Equation of a straight line. What is this here? Equation of a straight line. This is equation of a circle. This is the equation of a circle where the center is h and k. This is your future. Those who are here in the 9th and 10th, this is your future. I'm showing it right now. Why? Because you should not skip quadratic equation. You should not skip quadratic equation. Now you think that yes, sir has shown me a nice way. Sir has shown me the future. So I will take a U-turn. When the barricade comes, I will take another course like BCom or history or geography. There also you have to study this maths. So maths is not there in as a subject, but without mathematics you cannot do any subject. Even if it is that William Shakespeare, he has to do mathematics to sell his books. What is the prize money he should get? All these things. Fine. So write down ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic equation. X plus 1, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? Tell me now quickly. Why yes? Justify your answer. Yeah. Yeah. Highest degree is 2. Anything else?
सर इसको सॉल्व करने तो a x square plus bx plus c के फॉर्म में।
हाँ, इसको हम देखो algebraic expression हमने किया था कुछ दिनों पहले, correct? I gave you the formula for a plus b the whole square. Tell me what is the formula for a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This we have done it. Can you anyone tell me what is the formula for a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. This also we have done it in the class last week. Next we have also done a plus b into a minus b. What is this here? A square minus b square. These three formulas we have done it. Apply this a plus b, a minus b here. What happens? This becomes x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I told you the quadratic equation should look like this, but here you are getting only two terms. ये first term है, ये second term है. ये वाला term तो गायब है. Bx is not there. Yes or no? Bx is not there. So is it a quadratic equation? That is your question now here. It is a quadratic equation. B 0 हो सकता है, C 0 हो सकता है, लेकिन x स्क्वायर कभी 0 नहीं हो सकता. यह है quadratic equation. समझ में आ रहा है? या आपको अगर ये समझ में आ गया, then I can help you out in what is alpha roots and what is beta roots. What is B by C, what is C by A, okay, all these things, and then the things will move on easily. Got the point, everyone? So if you know this quadratic equation, future में आपको ये value एक formula आएगा. Write out this formula. X is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Divided by 2A. This is the formula to find the value of x. Plus or minus. दोनों भी लिखो. लिखा सभी ने? Okay. X square plus x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. If the question is asking what is the value of x, you have to find the value of x. There are many methods. One is called as factorization method, other is called as with the formula. I have given you the formula right now. क्या है? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. अब इधर देखो, इधर a कितना है? 1, b कितना है? 6 और c कितना है? 5. a b c यहाँ पे डालना है, राइट? अभी क्या होगा यहाँ पे? minus 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 20 whole 2. Okay, so plus or minus root of 36 minus 20, 16. So this becomes root 16 divided by 2. Okay, next what happens? Minus 6 plus or minus 4 divided by 2. So you have to do it twice, correct no? Okay. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? minus 6 minus 4 divided by 2 or minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2. What happens? Minus 2 minus. So you get minus 10 by 2 and you get minus 2 by 2. So answer is minus 5 or minus 1. Minus 5 or minus 1. Remember one thing, whenever you have quadratic equation, you will have two x values. You will have always two x values. Suppose by chance in your examination, you solved and you got 3x values. You should think that you are genius. Okay, okay, you are the one of the 8 wonder of this world. Okay, because you have found 3 values for x, where the question it will only 2 values will come. समझ में आ रहा है? If you get 1 value, fine, you are below average. समझ में आ रहा है? But if you get 3, that means something marvelous. ठीक है? Look at this now. समझ में आ रहा है सभी को? It can be minus plus anything. Now, I told you how many values will x you get in quadratic equation? 2 values. Possibility is that both the values can be equal. Both the values can be equal. Possibility is that both the values are different. Possibility is that you cannot solve this equation because you got root of minus 16. You got what? Root of minus 16. Possibility is there. Now, the students who are trying for different examination think, look, those who are in 9th and or those who are in 8th or anything, your exam is much. Equal, not equal, that's it. That means a student of left or first PUC or BA student. We want to quadratic equation minus 60 root of this values. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, so this is what you should. So this becomes 4i. Okay, like that, and it is a complex number. Now you have to solve the complex number and get the answer. Fine. Now, if you open YouTube, there will be so many people there. They will say that we have found a shortcut for solving quadratic equation. There is nothing shortcut. This is all logic only. B square minus 4AC greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0. If it is greater than 0, it is hyperbola. If it is less than 0, it is parabola. If it is equal to 0, it becomes a equation of a straight line or something like that. I'll give you this in detail. समझ में आया? If the determinant value is negative, it becomes a circle. So in 9th and 10th, if your algebra is strong, 8 से लेके 8 cent के ऊपर से लेके, if your algebra is strong, NDA is a cakewalk. You can just go inside the exam hall with a pen and come out with victory. Okay, with a black pen and come out with victory. Otherwise, we'll come out with a go in with black pen, come out with red face. समझ में आया? Same blood. Front के टंगड़ा अच्छे same blood. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? So take down one more question. Find the value of 9x square. 9 square minus 3x minus 3x equal to 0. Use the formula. Use the formula that I gave you. Here A is 9, B is minus, C is minus 2. And C is minus 2. Whatever you want formula.
So 2 by 3 or minus 1 by 3?
Answer.
Two by three minus one by two.
6, 9.
2 by 3.
2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Did you get it? So with the help of formulas, you can do it. समझ में आ रहा है? Fine. Okay. Now there is another method. Look at this. The question was, okay, अभी ऊपर की तरफ. This is called as factorization method. Now here this is 9. Here this is 2. A, how much you got? 9. B is how much? Minus 3. C is how much? 2. 9 into 2 is how much? A into C gives me 18. B is how much? Minus 3. Now look at this. 1 into 18 gives me 18. 2 into 9 gives me what? 18. 6 up. World Cup चल रहा है क्या? World cricket match commentary सुन रहा है? Okay, इधर देखो. 2 into 9 कितना है? 18. 2 plus 9? 2 plus 9? 11. But ये क्या है? Minus 3. 9 minus 2? 7. ये क्या है? Minus 3. नहीं चलेगा. Next. 3 into 6? 18. 3 plus 6? 9. इधर क्या है? Minus 3. 6 minus 3? 3. 3 मिल रहा है, लेकिन मुझे इधर क्या है? Minus 3. अभी stop करो. अभी stop करो. Can I write this numbers? Can I write this number minus 6 plus 3? Can I write minus 6 plus 3? Now tell me. Minus 6 plus 3 कितना हो? Minus 3. मिल गया मुझे. इसका मतलब this minus 3x, this minus 3x can be written as minus 6x plus 3x. Do you all understand? This is what I'm going to use in place of what? 3x. Now the question is 9x square minus, instead of this 3x, what I'm going to write? Okay, this becomes minus 6x plus 3x plus 2, no? Minus 2 is equal to 0. अभी देखो ग्रुप करो, ये एक टीम है, ये एक टीम है, ये दोनों में क्या कॉमन है? x कॉमन है, ये और क्या कॉमन है? Can I take 3 common? Now here what is remaining? 3x minus, here what is remaining? 2 plus, now here it is 1. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? Yeah? Wrong हुआ? नहीं. Now this becomes 3x plus 1 and this becomes 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this becomes 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. This becomes x is equal to minus 1 by 3. I got this one answer, and x is equal to 2 by 3. This is one answer. This is one answer with the help of factorization method. Now look at this. Here also I got what? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Here also I got what? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. You understand? So this is called as factorization method, and this is called as with the help of the formula. For exam, you are going to study everything because, see, now I have varieties of students. The look on your face is that इतना सारा method है, इतना सारा chapter है. मेरे exam के लिए क्या है? पहले वो बताओ. For me, for my exam, what is required? Those who are in 9th, those who are in 10th, all these steps you should know. All the methods, factorization method, formula method, everything you should know. Compulsory. Okay, next. Those who are trying 9th standard science school, those who are trying 9th standard science school, you should know the formula x. Why? Because you have boards and stream question. Boards and stream, train speed, like this question they will ask you. Next, those who are writing AFCAT examination, those who are writing Agniveer examination, Delhi police, any government, any degree student, those who are trying for any government examination, you have quadratic equation in your syllabus. So you should know how to find the value of x with the help of the formula, otherwise with the help of the factorization method. This also you should know it. Those who are in 11th, you should know this everything in detail because your x value will be in root of minus I. Root of minus I. The next level of this will be alpha and beta. Find the roots, alpha and beta. Tell me what is the value of x I got here? 2 by 3. And what is the other value? Minus 1 by 3. This is called as alpha. This is called as beta. समझ में है? 10th में आपको ये है. In 10th standard you have this. 9th and 10th you will be studying this. What is alpha? What is beta? But when it comes to 11th standard, question will be asked like this. What is the formula? What is the value of alpha square plus beta square? Find out. Let me go and tell you example of an NDA question. NDA question will be like this. Alpha to the power of 7 plus beta to the power of 7. Okay, plus something they will give you. Find the value of alpha into beta. Find the value of alpha into beta. So, अगर आपको ये alpha मालूम नहीं है कहाँ से आया quadratic equation, if you don't know, you cannot solve. This is your NDA, JEE, CET level questions. समझ में आ रहा है? Fine. So how many roots, how many values a quadratic equation will have? How many values? 2 values. Okay, so those 2 roots are what? Alpha roots and beta roots. We'll do one last question, then you can go home. Take it down. X is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus x. Start. Normal கொடுத்தாலே தெரியல. இதுல 1 by 2 by x வேற வந்திருக்கு denominator. Yes. Start doing it. At least write down the questions properly. करो, ट्राई करो. क्वेश्चन लिखा, दिखाओ, करो. दसरा छुट्टी कितने लोगों को है? तो कल से आ जाओ सुबह. 20 आज क्या थे? क्यों ये 4 दिन क्या करने वाले? एग्जाम तो हो गया ना. पीटीएम मतलब वो तो पेरेंट्स के लिए है ना, तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है. Oh, you also have to accompany your parents. You accompany with like a happy face, brave face, or yeah, मार मिलेगा. दिवाली दसरा हर पीटीएम में होता है, right? I am also planning to keep a PTM. Yeah. देखेंगे. Let's see. It depends on your performance. Performance अच्छा है तो रखूंगा, नहीं है तो फिर नहीं चाहिए. क्योंकि ऑलरेडी परफॉर्मेंस बुरा है, हमको बोल के क्या करना है, राइट? Okay, fine. So look at this. How to solve? This is 2 by 1. So first solve from here, this denominator. This becomes what? 2 into 2 minus x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 2x. 4 minus 2x minus 1. 4 minus 1 gives you 3. So 3 minus 2x by 2x you get it. Correct? 3 minus 2x. Okay. You get 3 minus 2x by 2x minus 1. 2 minus 6, sorry. कितना मिला इधर? 2 minus x. ये 2 minus x ऊपर जाएगा, करेक्ट? सो ये हो जाएगा 2 minus x. अभी 3 minus 2x इधर जाएगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 3 minus 2x minus 2 minus x whole divided by 3 minus 2x. इसको ब्रैकेट डालो. अभी 2 3 is 6, so you get 6. Okay. Yeah, 6 minus 4x minus 2 plus x whole divided by 3 minus 2x. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Minus 4x plus x gives me minus 3x divided by 3 minus 2x. So in place of this, okay, in place of this complete, I'm going to write this value. So this becomes 4 minus 3x. This 3 minus 2x goes up here. This becomes 3 minus 2x. Okay. Now this and this will get multiplied. That is 4 minus 3x into x is equal to 3 minus 2x. Now multiply this. 4x minus 3x square is equal to 3 minus 2x. Now take 3x square. See here it is minus. Try to avoid minus in x square. इसको इधर ले लो, साइड में क्या हो जाता है? प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 माइनस 2x माइनस 4x. ये इधर 0 ले लेना. 4x को ओके 4x और माइनस 3x को सारे को इधर ले लो. ओके इधर आ गया. अभी ये है 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 3. 3 6 3. What is common? 3 is common. Divide everything by 3. What happens? You get x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation you get. Now you can use any method, factorization method or formula method. So what happens here? This becomes x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this becomes x into x minus 1 minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is x minus 1 and this is x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, otherwise x is equal to 1. How many values x will have always? In quadratic equation, x will have always 2 values. So what are the 2 values I got here? 1. Both are equal or different? Equal. So till your 10th standard or quadratic equation chapter, you will have equal or different. That's it. Positive or negative. That's it. But from 11th, you will have a high level. So if your fundamentals are not strong here, then you will face problem in your exams. So what is the value here? X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1. Now, here b square minus 4ac, ये try करके देखो, b square b कितना हो गया minus 2 the whole square, minus 4 into 1 into 1, अब ये कितना हो गया 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4 0. So when you solve for b square minus 4ac, what is the value you get? B square minus 4ac, you get the value 0 when you solve it. If you tell your mind, if it is 0, that means both the values will be same. This is another shortcut. अगर आपका b square minus 4ac value 0 आया, इसका मतलब दो वैल्यू क्या होगा, सेम होगा. ये सॉल्व करने का जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, डायरेक्टली आपको ऐसा 1 मिल गया ना, डायरेक्टली 1 लिखो, आंसर खत्म. ऑप्शन ए बी सी में देखो, आंसर खत्म. डोंट सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम्स. Okay, so this will require a lot of time. So we have plenty of time during Dasra, correct? We have a long holidays, so we'll try to finish it up. समझ में आ रहा है? Fine. So today it was just an introduction chapter. Tomorrow we'll do it once again from scratch. Okay, once again from scratch. Okay, everything boards and streams से लेके ये सब. You can leave now.